Namaste, all the beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance, welcomes all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tara Tarot Reading. So, beautiful souls, we are again back with the monthly predictions for all the zodiac signs, starting from Aries to Pisces for the month of January 2021. So I take this opportunity also to wish all the beautiful souls a very happy and a prosperous new year. Beautiful Aries, what the month of January 2021 has stored up for the beautiful Aries. These are the three cards which I have shuffled and energized for the beautiful Aries ascendant. So with the blessings of your guardian angel, Archangel Ariel, let us see what the month has stored up for the beautiful Arians. And the voice of your soul is I am. So this is the symbol, the ram, beautiful Aries. So these are the three cards. If you can look here, we have got 2 threes, 3 of cups and 3 of wands. So energy of 3 will prevail in the month of January, which symbolizes many changes coming into your life in the month of January. So expect for many changes. A lot of changes in the month of January. So that is the energy of having 2 threes in a pile. And if you look at the energies of the cards, beautiful souls, let me keep it like this. It looks like campfire. We have got the opposite energies. Cups is the water energy and wands is the fire energy. So Queen of Cups and 3 of Wands makes fire energy prevailing on the water energy. So you will be really on top, completely ignited. So water energies will be underplaying and the fire energy will be dominant. So what is the 3 of Cups bringing in for the beautiful Aries ascendant is a lot of celebration. I told you, expect for many changes. And if you are expecting for a good news, especially related with if you are a man, if you wanted your wife to conceive, if you wanted your family to extend, then you can expect for the good news related to pregnancy. And if you're a woman, of course, you can accept for some good news related to childbirth. A healthy childbirth, a healthy pregnancy is the energy of 3 of Cups besides celebration, beautiful souls. And there will be a lot of love, romance and warmth in the relationship with the opposite energies. It could be your wife, it could be your spouse, it could be your girlfriend, the special person. So there will be a lot of physical pleasure stored for the month of January and good health. So the first card itself is blessing you with good news related to children, related to pregnancies, celebrations, and good health. And that you will also get chances to attend wedding in a family, in a close friend circle. So there the celebration is doubled. So that is the energy of 3 of Cups, beautiful souls. And what you should not do in the month of January is that you should not hurt the feeling of others. So be careful when you're talking, especially when you are about to give your opinion. So do not be judgmental is the thing which you should not do in the month of January. That is what the 3 of Cups has stored for the beautiful Aries. Now let's move to the 3 of Wands. So what is the energy of 3 of Wands, beautiful soul? It's a masculine suit. So definitely in the month of January, you can expect for some support from, if you're a woman, you can expect some support from your husband, from your elder sibling, brothers. And if you're a man, you can expect some support or advice from your father or from an elder sibling. So because Wands is a masculine suit, definitely the month of January will come up with some masculine help, masculine, the manly advice, good advice. So that is the energy, initial energy of Three of Wands. And what else it has stored for you is opportunity, which again indicates changes, for good changes, followed by luck, right? And if you are in some kind of problems, it could be financial, it could be personal, professional, whatever. If there are some issues which haven't been sorted out for a couple of days or couple of weeks or couple of months or for some time, all that which is causing anxiety to you, you will be able to end those problems. So January is bringing the energies which will put a full stop to all your problems, beautiful souls. So just a little patience. It's all about, today is, I guess, 21st of December. So it's all about 2 weeks. So have a little more patience and things will be sorted out and you will be experiencing everything positive and everything vibrant. So what is the Queen of Wands have stored for the beautiful souls? If you look at the cards, there is a tiger. Because it's a masculine suit with so many sunflowers, right? And 2 cats. So this could mean that you have a bent towards spirituality, because cats are our protectors in our spiritual realms. And what is this card promising? So the Queen of Wands is promising that definitely you will get a help from an elderly man in your family, no matter you're a woman or a man who is watching this reading. And this also indicates that you will be about to experience complete freedom from all your conditioning, and you can rely on good advices coming from the very important and very valuable men around you. And besides, this card also promises that you will be able to multiply your business ideas following the month of January, and you will be able to put all these ideas into practice. So the month of January will give you the floor to explore all your ideas, and this is the time to put all your ideas into practice so that you can target the long-term futuristic goals and profits. And this card also brings in the energy of love. It could be love from family, love from friends, love from your spouse, and love from your nature. So the month of January is completely showering onto you the love from everywhere. So grasp the love whenever you get it. So that is the energy of the cards, the guidance the cards is bringing for the beautiful Aries. Your soul's voice: I am, there is love, good health, good news related to children, healthy pregnancy, improvement in health, healing, followed by good advices coming from important men in your life. So, and also love being showered from everywhere. This is the time you will be able to put all your ideas into practice. And what you have to do is have a little more patience, maybe for about 2 weeks, and do not be judgmental and do not try to hurt the feeling of anyone. So be aware when you're talking or when you are in a group discussion. So with lots of blessings, beautiful Aries, wishing you a very happy and a prosperous new year. Take good care of yourself. Until next time, take care. Goodbye. Astu. Namaste.